here in Canada for Collectopia, and the energy in this place was insane. Right from the start, we were running into familiar faces, meeting tons of you guys, which made the show even better. At one point, we decided to take some serious risks and ran multiple double or nothing coin flips, and let's just say some big cards were on the line. Then out of nowhere, a guy pulls up with what looked like 1,000 Japanese Armored Mewtwo cards, each worth around $50 ungraded. I honestly couldn't believe what I was seeing. On top of that, we managed to lock in a bunch of awesome pickups throughout the show, so stay till the end to see everything we walked away with. And
GOATED PULLZ! How's it going, bro? Good, thank you.
I love your content.
Thank you, bro.
Do you have the coins or?
Yeah, I have coins. They're right here. They're
How much you have?
Canadian. I think it's like 15, something like that.
I just want to do a flip with you.
Sure.
I just want to do a flip with you, and I always want to.
Sure, let's do it, bro. Okay, let me get my coin out of my pocket. What was your name?
Roop.
Roop? All right. 0 double. Heads, tails. Call in the air. Good luck.
Tails.
You got it. Free coin, boss. Thank you. How's it going?
Nice to meet you. I'm Shane.
Arvin, nice to meet you.
I love your stuff, man.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate it.
Appreciate always watching what you do. And thanks for coming.
Oh, thank you for having
Thank
me.
you for using this after.
Yeah, of course.
I got a cabinet at home, and I always usually.
Here, let me give you one of these and one of these. So this is my new company, Chance.
Oh, cool.
You want to check it out? It's gonna be like a super app. It's gonna have repacks, prediction markets, and community features.
That's sick, man. Thank you.
No worries. I don't have the GOATED PULLZ sticker on me. I have coins. If you want, they're 15 Canadian.
15?
Yeah.
You want to do a coin flip?
Sure.
Free?
I just lost one.
Come on, it'll be fun. All right, I want you to win, to be honest. I want to hear the line, man.
Can we do 10 or 20 Canadian?
Let's go.
Okay, cool. All right, that's heads, that's tails.
All right, let's go.
Good luck.
Wait, can I film this? You don't mind?
Yes, sir.
I do content too, man.
Hell yeah.
Okay, we're here with the legend himself. So I had to do a coin flip.
Let's do it, baby.
I'm actually doing a coin flip for a coin.
Yes, and you're probably gonna beat me. 10 or 20 Canadian. Ready?
Let's do it.
Call in the air.
Heads.
And you won.
Hey!
Congrats.
GOATED PULLZ!
Yes, sir. GOATED PULLZ. Thank you.
Can I do that? Nice to meet you.
You too. Can we do 10 or 20?
Yeah, you just
Okay.
You're losing. You're making no sales. He's making sales with the coin. Okay. My turn next. I have some coins. No coins for
GOATED currency for real money. It's better than NFTs.
Hey, do you use your coin or do you use my coin?
Whatever you want, bro. I don't care. Your coin? Sure. Well, that's cool. Ready?
Yeah.
Call it.
Okay.
Tails or Pika? Heads or tails?
Okay.
10 or 20?
Heads.
This is why I don't double or nothing. Good. 10 Canadian.
Oh, not US? I'm kidding.
Okay, we can do US. You want to pay me? 10 US?
No, it's like.
Thank you, boss. Here's your change.
Thank you. Can I get you to sign this card for me?
Sure.
Oh, yeah.
You want to sign a card?
It's not my card, though.
Nose pass is crazy.
I'll use his.
Okay.
It's heavy, dude.
Call it. Call it. Yeah, it's a weapon, bro. Call it.
Heads and shreds. Let's go.
Yes, 20 Canadian. GOATED PULLZ.
You gave me sign a card too?
Sure.
I know that.
Double Siggy, Jinkies, and GOATED PULLZ. Guaranteed level X. Thank you, bro. Cheers.
Are you buying?
Yeah.
Sorry? Yeah. Shit, I'll bring it. Yeah, I'll be back.
It's like varying conditions. I wanted to do a flip with you. If
Sure.
you're interested in any. They're like, some are like NP to NN.
Damage. What do we think, Utah?
Oh my.
He said they're played. How much? Are this all? Bro, what the f?
Oh my god.
All Japanese are Armored Mewtwo's. He said they're played condition though, but.
They vary. I didn't
What?
check them yet.
So cool.
I just signed a card that had your signature on it too. It's a double Siggy.
Mind participating in a quick skit? I'm just gonna ask you if you want these packs or double A, give it to the next person.
Sure,
You say double A.
sure. I'm gonna fucking take the packs.
Hey man, do you want 64 packs or double A and give it to the next person?
I'll take it. I'm joking. Double it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, double it. I'm joking.
Okay, thanks man.
No worries. Give it to kids. That's hot. How much?
That's sexy.
I traded.
Did you trade your shit?
Traded my 05 manga Luffy plus the gold restaurant for this plus $2,400.
This is like the print. There's no print line.
Pretty clean for a good.
Dude, it's really crazy looking at it and not seeing a print line.
I know.
This is crazy. This is wild. I'm like expecting print lines, but I don't see print lines. What's up, boss?
Looking at for the 3
Sequential? Whatever mark it is. If you want, I can comp it, but I trust your comps too.
Okay. I haven't looked at it. I'll take a peek.
They're Japanese, you know that, right?
yeah.
Okay.
Movie.
Movie.
No, it's a friend from Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico.
Say, movie.
Movie. Okay, let me check these.
Yeah, I'm thinking about it.
This might be enough, because this is, yep. Yeah. Unless these are like crazy expensive. I don't think they are. I can give you these 3, and let me see the conversion. You want Canadian dollars, right? Convert 200 Canadian dollars. Fuck, no. Convert 200 USD to Canadian. 270.
270.
And you keep this. Unless you want to sell it, but I think you should keep it. It's a cool card.
Well, I have like 4 of them, so I'm like,
Oh, you want to sell it?
if I can knock anything off, that's like.
No. I owe you 270.
Oh, you owe me 270.
Yes, this is worth more than these 3.
Oh, okay. Oh, sorry.
No, I'm gonna pay you, boss.
Okay.
I'm very fair. I'm from America.
Honestly, though, I don't mind to like add it in. I can find some other stuff too, to be honest.
Sure. Would you rather have cash or more slabs?
I would prefer like slabs.
Sure. What do you like? Nice.
What's the Celebration Magic card brand?
Probably like a couple $100. I can check.
I can add like some cash.
Yeah, sure. So I owe you 100 USD. This last sold is 175. Market's 150.
Okay.
So 50 USD on top.
Which is
Fuck. Convert 50 USD to Canadian. It's like 70 bucks.
$70. $70.
What was your name, boss?
Adam.
Adam?
Yeah.
How do you want to do
Deal,
this?
man. We did it. We made it happen.
Sorry, bro. Now I can go eat after this. All right. So you want to write this?
Yep.
Okay, Adam is giving us this Kingdra promo, this PSA 8.5 Dark Charizard, and 70 Canadian dollars. He's taking this Eevee, Psyduck Japanese, Sequential, Squirtle, Charmander, and Bulbasaur, and the English Shining Magic card from Celebrations. All right, we're back. Day 2, Collectopia. Canada. Get me out of this. How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Back.
Hello, sir.
Double or nothing, some points.
Can we do 10 or 20 Canadian instead? So I get some money regardless? Because I gave away like 5 free coins yesterday.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. I print coins for a living. Okay, let's do it, bro.
Alrighty.
Bang. Ready? Call in the air. 10 or 20 Canadian.
Heads.
Fuck. All right, 10 Canadian. Cheers. You want another one?
I want another one.
Do you want to flip again too?
Okay, sure, why not?
Okay.
There we go.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
What a beautiful face. Who is that?
I have no idea who that is.
Is that Queen Elizabeth?
I think it is.
I don't think so.
I don't actually.
No, it says Viola Desmond. Viola Desmond. What's her IG?
Yo, that's insane.
I'm just joking. I have a beautiful Colombian fiance.
Yes, I know from the videos.
Call in the air.
Tails.
Is that heads? GOATED PULLZ. What? Oh shit.
I got a card that I think you might like.
Greninja Zoroark? I totally haven't flipped with you. This is the 3rd time or 4th time coin flip with this guy.
Why do you want this?
I don't know, this guy just keeps wanting double or nothing with me. Yesterday I paid 160 for this because I doubled or nothing twice and I lost both times. Coin flip! What did we do yesterday? 0 or 80 Canadian, right? Or 8 USD, I forget.
USD. Robert said.
No, heads or tails.
Is that really what you want?
All right, we are with the shiny cardboard collector. And we're gonna coin flip for this Greninja Zoroark, 0 or 80 US dollars. And if I lose, I'm gonna run it back.
Bet.
You're ready, Ryan? You want to
I
throw
want
it?
him to call for me.
No, he throws, you call.
Tails never fails. Goated.
All right, we're running it back. 0-160.
160?
Yeah. 0-160. Run it back. Throw it better.
60.
Call in the air.
What are you calling?
Call it.
Tails never fails. GOATED PULLZ.
Thank you, sir. Bring me a better card next time.
Are you looking for higher end stuff or would you take lower end stuff too?
Higher end's a little easier to move, but
Got these
those are cool.
and some lower end stuff.
Convert 130 USD to Canadian.
I saw
Probably more stuff like this stuff. So it's about like 170 to 180 Canadian. Can I take a look at these?
Yeah, yeah. Go for it. Whichever one you want.
Cool, thank you.
They're pretty bad quality though. It's PSA 1 contender. Those go for a pretty penny.
Would you do cash by any chance or no? You just want only do
How much
trade?
cash you want to do? Oh, just cash for this?
Yeah.
Would you do 150 cash for my PC?
I do, market's 180, I'll do 170.
160?
I'll flip you 160, 180 if you want, Canadian.
Can you do 150, 170?
I'll do
150, 170.
I'll do,
Or 140, 180?
can't go that low. I'll do 150, 180 if you want.
Okay.
You wanna do that?
Yeah.
Coin flip with Shane for the Entei. We're gonna coin flip Canadian dollars, 150 or 180.
Tails?
GOATED PULLZ! All right, 180 Canadian, thanks bro.
Any interest?
Let me see. How much is it, roughly?
Canadian, like 3-4.
Nice. Is that like 3 to 4K Canadian?
3.4.
You want trade or just cash?
Possibly trade.
Let me check. So this is what I see for a USD market.
Okay. Count that with the conversion rate. What does that convert to?
Like, convert 1,900 USD to Canadian dollars. Like 2,600 Canadian. That's full market. The last comp was like 3 days ago.
There's a couple like high sales. That's the thing.
1860, 22, 22, 18, 2,400 a month ago, 18. This is a 2 cert, so.
Do you have an offer cash?
What would you offer? What should we offer cash?
There is some things that'd be interesting. There's like modern 10s.
I mean, realistically, if I wanted to buy it cash, 2,200 Canadian cash, or like 2,300 trade. So I mean, it's like 90% trade, 85% cash. Trying to be fair, because you're a neighbor.
I would take something like those, like Earthshaper, Charizard.
Yeah, if you want, we can start comping those out. If you're okay with that number, you want to just grab whatever you want. You're at like 21.76 Canadian. If you want to grab like another $100 slab.
You said 23?
Yeah, Canadian. So like,
Cash for the difference, either double or nothing.
I'd give you like, I'll give you 0 or 100 Canadian. If that works. Actually, no. I'll do 0 or 140 Canadian. I think that's fair. You want to do that? 0 or 140 Canadian? All right, do. What was your name again, boss?
Jesse.
Jesse? Jesse's going to trade in this Nidoking, Crystal Nidoking PSA 9. He's going to take the 7 slabs in trade. The Bulbasaur from Stellar Crown. Birthday Pikachu. Roaring Moon English, Zapdos V, Roadrunner, Urshifu VMAX, Celebrations Charizard, and Umbreon V from Brilliant Stars. Straight trade or 140 Canadian dollars. Ready, boss?
Yes, sir.
Heads, tails? Yep, call in the air,
Which
boss.
one's heads?
That's heads,
Okay.
that's tails.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Got tails.
You got it. Cooked. Yep. All right, boss, let's do it. 450 or 750, you said? USD? Yeah. What was your name again?
Alex.
Alex, nice to meet you again. All right, Alex, coin flip, Celebrations Charizard. Decent flip here. 450 USD or 750 USD. Ready? Call in the air. Redo? Oh, call in the air. You got it. 450 USD. You're back again, boss. This kid's 14, but his voice is like a 30-year-old.
much older than I am.
This is our chief financial officer right here. Yeah, we should hire this kid. He looks like he's smart.
Please.
Are you smart?
Yes.
You look like you could be like in college already.
I'm so short. That doesn't count.
You want to sell these?
Trade or sell.
Are they cooked?
That one's cleaner than.
The top loader's cooked, but the car's not bad.
That one doesn't a little bit weight loss.
It's like MP-ish. LP, MP. What's market? Show me TCG player on this, and then I'll probably go with like a PSA 5 or 6 market on that. All right, coin flip with Mr. Tyler over here. We're gonna do 200 or 600 Canadian dollars. Coin flip. Ready, boss? Heads, tails. Call in the air.
Tails.
You got it. 600 Canadian. That was a really bad flip. Literally
I
like,
had a flip that went straight up, straight down.
Jesus. I was like, I hope this guy wins, or I'm gonna be called a scammer right now. Kyle's gonna trade the Celebi and Umbreon. Trade value, he wants either 300 or 900 Canadian dollars. Good luck.
Tails.
GOATED PULLZ! Thank you, bro. All right, what do you want now? 300 Canadian. You wanted to sell this, right?
0.650.
It's worth 250 USD, so that's 200 US. Convert 200 USD to Canadian. I can do 0 or 540. Canadian is, because you want it, that's 80% of that number. 0 or 540 if you want. You want to do that? Double or nothing, Eric. It's 80%.
Plus it's a discount anyway, because you...
Yeah, 80%. Basically 0 or 400 USD. Don't lose, he says. All right, coin flip with Tyler for this PSA 8 Neo Discovery Espeon. 0 or 540 Canadian dollars.
You want to call it or me?
Oh, you call it. Good luck. I'm gonna throw this one better than last time. I cooked myself last time.
Tails.
There we go! GOATED PULLZ! All right, free slab. Market was 1K US, so we can pay you 700 US. You want Canadian dollars, right?
Yeah.
Like 960.
Make it
I'll flip you, it's like 950, 960. I'll flip you 900 or 1K if you want.
920, 1K?
Sure? Sure, let's do it. All right, Sid's gonna sell us all these singles. Mostly play condition, but they're pretty cool. Coin flip 920 Canadian or 1,000 Canadian. Ready? Call in the air, good luck.
Tails.
You got it. 1,000 Canadian.